In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select biometrics and security, and here click on fingerprints. Now select continue, and at first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, so let me enter the pattern, then you have to re-enter it just to confirm. Tap on confirm then. And now you just have to start scanning your fingerprint. Here is the sensor, so just tap here, and as you can see now, it will scan your fingerprint. So just lift up your finger and then place it on the sensor again. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Click on done to finish, tap on continue. Here you can log in also to your Samsung account, but from now on, as we set up the fingerprint, you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Just like that. Also, you can use this backup pattern. So just draw it and you will be also able to access the phone. And this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.